For my next little project, I'm going to replicate this catenary structure using the evergreen products, the H column and the I-beam 285 and 277. The columns will be the vertical ones, of course, and the I-beams I'll use the 277, and I'll add in a little bit of bracing on either side. Here is the goalpost, let's call it, which would be found in many locations along the track, and I'm just doing this one to get some variation in the catenary support system. And what I've done is I've chopped up some smaller structural I-beams, and I'll use them as a brace, like so. Like that. And that's a very simple build. Anybody can do this. Just get yourself some of these evergreen structural sections and go ahead and start building. Anyway, I hope you find this useful. I'll spray it grey shortly, and then I'll get it onto the layout. This setup isn't perfect because I don't have any bases for it at the moment, but I think it looks appropriate, and you would, as I said, you would find them all over the UK in a variety of locations. A simple build, anybody can do it. Just get yourself some evergreen plastic model structural sections and you're good to go. So if you enjoyed this, please remember to give me the big thumbs up. Thanks very much, and see you next time at Partickhill Station.